Hello, I'm Lance. NXT Jams with the Z on SoundCloud and bandlab. I'll tell you how the nickname started. I guess I don't know how much I want to tell you about this whole thing. What I'm going to do is a recording tutorial. How to record on bandlab with your phone or a tablet. And there's a lot of ways to do it. Here's the blue snowball. It plugs straight into your phone with the right USB cord, USB to a USB mini. This one here is a 1/4-inch jack, and it needs power, so you need an interface. And the interface plugs into the phone with the USB plug. Then it has RCA outs, a headphone out, and two inputs, so you can put your mics in there. I run my mixer for my drums, electric drums. It's how I interface with the phone. I originally started recording on the phone in 2011 when my band broke up. I was basically been in a band since 6th grade. I played bars, whatever. Backed up Blue Oyster Cult one time. We were the opening band, and it was my claim to fame. Had a lot of fun. Me and my brother had the band most of the time, and the band broke up, and I found this app called U-Loops, and I joined it. I played with an app on the phone about 2 weeks, and this is 2011. They're just coming out. 8 years later, we're all exchanging emails, and everybody's sad and freaking out when it closed, and that was when we all had to find another platform, and I ended up on bandlab, and some of the people ended up there on Songtree. Lost a lot of friends. Well, U-Loops, we rated each other 1 to 5 star first of all, so it was brutal. And somebody come and give your songs a 1 star, it'll drop your rating. So then you go do that to them, or you start doing diss songs and the whole hate thing and all that. It was a lot of fun, but in the end, we were a tight knit group, and everybody was sad when it closed. And that was about 4 years ago now. I've been on bandlab, and on bandlab you can use a DWA workstation, laptop, and it comes with Cakewalk and everything, but I'm just going to use a simple recorder, the mixer it comes with it, right? Hit the little plus, hit the mic. You can do guitar, it has different effects. There's a looper in here to build your own song. So you got the mixer open like that, you just hit the record, you can go in and get effects and everything like that. So this ain't how I do most of my drums. It's cool to have one of these, but I have a drum set over here that I interface like that. But let's see if you got anything. Don't look like I did. Let's try it again. Oh, wait. There we go. So there's how you lay a track down. You add effects to it, do a lot of stuff like that, and you hit the plus. There's your different mics you can open, and check. What do we got here? Oh, I gotta get this mic. Actually has. I got a lot of cords. It has a USB that you got to plug in. It needs power. The mic needs power, so you just plug it into a. Hey, when I do that. Check. At the CBGB bar. At the CBGB bar. So then you got your mic interface, man. You start laying tracks. You can plug a guitar in here. and it starts looking like this. And you got your volumes, your pan. You know, I can even take and loop that right there and just have the start of a track, you know, and you just build and there, you know, and the sky's the limit with all the. It's got effects and just all kinds of crazy stuff, but. Here's one of the first songs I got the acoustic drums sounding pretty good. It's about getting off methamphetamine. Did it with a guy named Guitar Gorilla. Newfound talent for giving in again and again. Devil in disguise, it's not your friend. In the pain, needle in your arm has punctured the vein. Wondering why did that ever chance for a better life pass you by? You can tell that's where a loop is at. I had, you know, to make them loops work and everything. Now in bandlab, you know, I just record the whole song, but it was an experience. But I got do collabs with people all over the world. This is an Indian guy up in Wisconsin. Keep building tribal. They don't seem to build. Oh, there it is. I wrote this song on a Paper Jams guitar when it was like the last song. Everybody was sad, you know. I was writing a song about you know, Pocket Band closing, you know, and Gibson had sued Paper Jams and messed them up. If you don't know what Paper Jams is, when I first got on app 2, I walked around Walgreens and had these guitars. I'm like, oh, that'll be perfect for that app. I'll be able to play that right karaoke music with it, you know. Well, I ended up playing that thing for 10 years. I'll do another video on those. But this song was wrote on one of those. Paper Jams guitar, if he would go this far. So that's that Paper Jams guitar. I run through a mixer and effects, you know, I have a lot of fun with those. I don't even play guitar. Like Yellow Submarine, get it? This is Bonecracker, a band I was in. It takes them a second to start. Love ain't easy. But anyway, there's a tutorial on how to record on your phone. I got a bunch of different, I mean, there's a bunch of different ways to do it. I got different mics and depending kind of what you're after or something, but there you go.